Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds.
Ar-Rahmanir Rahim.
The entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
Maliki Yawmiddin.
Sovereign of the day of recompense.
Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
It is you we worship and you we ask for help.
Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim.
Guide us on the straight path.
Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim.
The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor.
Ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim.
Not of those who have invoked your anger,
Waladdallin.
or those who are astray.